Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel The Tech Magician. Today we are comparing two of Samsung's different devices, the flagship S10 Plus and the budget-friendly A72. Which one offers the best value? Let's find out. We will start the test with a boot up test first. And let's find out which one starts quicker.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
So the S10 Plus took the lead in the boot up test. The S10 Plus has a premium glass back IP67 water resistance and 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display. On the other hand, A72 has a plastic back IP67 water resistance and 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display. Let's confirm both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. As you can see, both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And let's confirm there are no running apps in the background. So first we will start the test with the phone app. They almost seemed the same. Next up we have messages. S10 Plus seemed to be quicker. Next up we have the internet browser. S10 Plus takes it again. Let's check the music app. S10 Plus seemed to be a bit quicker. Next up we have Google. S10 Plus seemed to be quicker again. Next YouTube. This time A72 was the one to take the lead, but S10 Plus is smoother enough. Next TikTok, almost the same time. Let's check the Chrome app. This time it seemed to be S10 Plus. They're loading, but A72 makes a comeback. Let's check Facebook. A72 takes it again. Let's check Spotify. Yes, 10 Plus makes a comeback. Now Discord. 10 Plus did seem to be quicker. Now Maps. 10 Plus is again the one to take the lead. Now the Play Store. Almost the same time on both devices. Let's check Netflix. And this time A72 again seemed to be quicker. Let's check Roblox. S10 Plus sort of takes this one. A72 is loading it later. Let's check Pinterest. S10 Plus again takes this. The Samsung Health app now. S10 Plus is quicker again and smoother as well. Now some gamings. First Candy Crush Saga. S10 Plus takes it again. S10 Plus is smoother and quicker. Let's check the hill climb racing. Surprisingly, A72 takes this one. Let's check Subway Surf. S10 Plus does take it. Both are equally smooth. Let's check the Mario run. The last one.
through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
S10 Plus takes it again. Now finally the weather app. S10 Plus it is again. The Flagship S10 Plus is worth the cost if you want the best performance and a premium experience. But if you're on a budget and want a great camera and battery life, the A72 is an excellent alternative. Thanks for watching guys. If you have any question or comments, leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. Thank you.